Record.
Hi, we're Communi-Green with an idea to bring the community together by hosting an educational event to teach the importance of sustainability and environmental stewardship. In this event, we'll have stations that provide interactive learning experiences about topics like recycling, climate change, and renewable energy. Part of this event will be the vending of trees to students and community members to plant at their homes to promote the health and longevity of our planet. This idea wouldn't be possible without the DI process.
In making the idea come to fruition, the DI process was used. The DI stands for Discover, Define, Develop, and Deliver. Using this process, we were able to create ideas efficiently and time-wise. In the Discover phase, we proposed the idea of our possible stakeholders. This included students and parents to larger corporations and local organizations. We interviewed some people who fell into our stakeholder categories and used their answers to further our idea. In the define stage, we went further in depth with our ideas and filled out an activity diagram and hierarchy of purpose, which allowed us to plan out in time what the field day would look like. In the development stage, we started to take our new ideas, such as climate change awareness, and weed out different plans using the real win-worth method. Using C sketches allowed us to build off of each other's ideas, which gave us the chance to really focus on our main stations and the plan. In the deliver stage, we made some initial mock-ups and scaled models. Over time, we developed our scaled models into what we can now call our final prototype. Our final prototype allowed us to physically see where things were going to go, which allows us to actually plan out where and when the event is going to take place.
Our testing showed showed users wanting a more specific topic. Our original opportunity statement needed to be revised, so our team came up with one that is more specific. We redefined the statement a couple of times. We then ended up with how we might bring the community together by educating them about the importance of climate change and the environment. We focused on one field of STEM, which is science. We then changed the idea of having stations so that they all relate to the environment and climate change. This will have a long-term effect for the future because we are making the community environmentally conscious. Moreover, they will build relationships between and with community members.
With the changes towards environmental and climate change, we had to create new stations that complemented those ideas. The stations include how to recycle, reuse waste, showing off different types of renewable energies like solar, wind, and hydroelectric, presenting different globes on the changes of sea levels due to melting ice caps, informing users on how they can be more sustainable at home using LED bulbs, turning off water when not needed, lowering shower times, and other attributes they can easily do to help their environment. And lastly, we'll sell trees with the proceeds going towards environmental causes. The final prototype shows us how the stations will be held and how it will be laid out and gives a visual and a scaled model. Lastly, if you would like to partner with us, you can find us on social media.